Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make fish veloute sauce. Start by simmering fish bones gently with onion, carrot, celery, and peppercorns to build a clear stock. Strain and reduce until flavorful and slightly concentrated. Prepare a blonde roux, whisk in warm fish stock gradually, and season simply with salt, white pepper, and lemon. Mount with butter off the heat for a glossy, silky finish that pairs. Begin with cold water, fish bones, onion, carrot, celery, and a bay leaf to extract clean, briny flavors. Bring to a gentle simmer and skim impurities frequently to keep the stock clear. Simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid a rolling boil that makes bitterness. Strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth and chill fast to stop cooking, then reduce slightly if a deeper flavor is needed for your veloute. Make a blonde roux by melting butter and stirring in flour until it smells nutty, but not brown. Temper the roux with warm fish, stock in a slow stream, while whisking vigorously to create a smooth veloute. Simmer gently until it thickens to coat the spoon, then season and finish by whisking in cold butter off the heat for gloss and silk. Taste and adjust acidity with a small squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.